Hello traders, Day Trader Matt here of businesswithtrading.com, doing a market analysis starting the 22nd of August. It should be a fun week. We had last week on the 19th, the price come down here, bounce. It basically front ran this area, this 43.62. Price came down to about 43.68, 43.68 half, around that number, and then just bounced. And so far it is moving higher. So what am I looking for this week? Looking for some support around this figure here, 44.18 down into 44.10s. Support down in there. When I say support, can it come a little lower, back up? Of course. It can also come down and bounce off this same level again. And that's why I drew this. I would think that below 43.30s that something else can play out. And then we want to watch all of these other support areas. In case it does, price does decide to get weak. Price does weird things. So we do want to be prepared for anything if it does happen. We do have 44.36 we are watching. If price can stay up, maybe it can keep going up. But if it does come down a little, still looking for higher prices until support actually breaks and we see something else is playing out. So still watching that 44.80, 44.84 above, 45.13s, and then that 45.50, 45.55, 45.60. That actually is a pretty nice target right now. So let's say, price continues to show strength, makes a new high over this. That's what I would look for. Can price go higher than that? Of course it can. But that's going to be a target that I'm going to be looking for, and it probably will take a few weeks, maybe months to get to, depending on what price does want to do and how it starts reacting this coming week. Let's talk about news for the coming week. So on Monday, we have at 9:45 flash manufacturing PMI and flash services PMI. That could add a little bit extra volatility to the markets. At 10 o'clock, we have existing home sales. No one probably cares about that, but those 9:45 numbers could, be nice. Tuesday, we do have at 10 o'clock, we have new home sales, Richmond Manufacturing Index. That is the only news of the day. Going into Wednesday, we have at 8:30 core durable goods orders month over month and durable goods orders month over month. That can add a little volatility. We'll see what happens. 10:30 crude oil inventories. Thursday, we have at 8:30 in the morning preliminary GDP quarter over quarter. That can definitely add some volatility. Follow that up with unemployment claims. That could also add some volatility. And then we have preliminary GDP price index quarter over quarter, probably a little less looked at. And then at 10:30, natural gas storage. Also starting Thursday, the Jackson Hole Symposium, which happens Thursday, Friday, right here, and Saturday. So Thursday and Friday, whenever they take breaks, they talk to the press, and that could add a little volatility depending on what happens at those meetings and with the talkings with reporters. Friday, 8:30 in the morning, we have core PCE price index month over month. Definitely can add volatility. We have a whole slew of other numbers. Probably people don't care too much about them. 10 o'clock, Fed Powell is going to speak. The Fed Chairman Powell is going to speak. And then we have University of Michigan numbers. Not really so important, but Powell and the Jackson Hole, that could add definitely some volatility along with the GDP numbers on Thursday with unemployment claims. So that'll be interesting to see what actually does play out, how price moves on Monday. probably will dictate the rest of the week. Should get a pretty good idea. However, it trades on Monday. Are we looking for this area to get hit again? Are we looking for it not to get hit and then price to push up? It's really going to be interesting to see what plays out on Monday. It's going to be the crucial day, and we'll see what happens from there. So thanks everyone for watching the video. Comments, suggestions, feedback, comments below. Definitely love to hear any comments you might have. With that, thanks for watching. Have an awesome night. Have a great week. I'll see you in the markets. Thanks and take care.